Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name's Dylan and thank you so much for coming by. So I just wanted to post this video and tell you how to cash out your GetUpside earnings, and I'm gonna also walk you through my process of cashing out my GetUpside earnings. I've been using this app for about almost 9 months now, and I've earned, quite a bit of extra side cash. If you don't know what GetUpside is, it is a cash back app for when you fill up gas. So every single time you fill up gas, all you got to do is take a quick picture of your receipt and you'll get cash back every single time you take a picture of your receipt. So I'm going to leave a link down below. If you use my link, you'll get an additional 15 cents off, or 15 cents back per gallon. So if you fill up 10 gallons, that's an extra $1.50 that you will get back. So without further ado, I'm just going to keep this video super short and just show you guys my process of cashing out my earnings. There's literally a family right next to me. They're probably looking at me like, what the heck am I doing talking to a camera? But anyways, so this is the app here. I don't mind sharing my location. I'm at the Irvine Spectrum Center. I just got my Vietnamese iced coffee from Black Dot. It's awesome. But anyways, if you don't know how the app works, essentially they have a list of gas stations. You have to go to one of the gas stations in the app. Once you do it, you click claim, check in, and it literally takes 2 seconds. And yeah, also I highly encourage you, because this is a way to make even more money. A lot of people say, well, Dylan, I have Costco, whatever. I go to the cheaper gas stations. I already know which ones are the cheapest. But if you, the way it works out really, really well, guys, so download the app, try it out once, and then you'll get a referral code. And once you get a referral code, then you can share your referral code with other people. And guys, who buys gas? Probably, I'm sure you have at least one friend who buys gas. So when you share your referral code, so use mine first and then share your referral code, and you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon per person you sign up. So yeah. Anyways, as you can see here, I'm getting $17 back per gallon, which is actually crazy, but that's the referral program. You can sign up a couple people, sign up 6-7 people, you're getting $1 off your gas. That's pretty nuts. But anyways, I'm just going to show you how mine works. And they have, locations in tons of areas. So yeah, I'll just type in any area. I'll just type in Laguna Beach. So they have mobile, Circle K, 76. Those are most of the ones I see. I go to the one to 76 by my house, but you can also pick and choose and see which ones have obviously 1728 versus 1737. This one has better cash back, so you can go to whichever one. You'll find the ones that have better cash back prices as well, and you'll find the ones that have better savings. But anyways, I'm just gonna show you. So I go here, I have $28 in my account. I can also just show you my cash out history just so you guys know. Last time I cashed out, July 16th, 2,500 bucks. In May, 1,000 bucks. November, 400. Yeah, that's my. So if you really want to use the referral program, you can really use it. And so far, I've made almost $5,000. But anyways, today I'm just going to show you guys 28 bucks. I'm cashing it out. You can cash out in any of these gift cards, but do I really want $4,000 in gift cards? I even want $28 in gift cards? Maybe for Amazon, or Dunkin' Donuts, because I love my Dunkin'. But what I do, guys, is I just use PayPal. That way when I get my money to my PayPal, I transfer it straight to my bank account. No fees at all. I'm going to get $28.82 straight into my bank account. That's how, that's how easy it is. So anyways, I just click on my PayPal. I have 2 PayPals, but I'm going to do this one. Continue. Cash out to my PayPal account. Payment is being processed. Comes in 12 to 24 hours. And then I can just go into my PayPal account and show you guys that it did go through. Obviously, this one is going to take a day or two, but I can just show you guys one of my previous ones. This one was from the other day. I got $38.91. Yeah, from GetUpside Services. I can go back here and show you some of my other, yeah, $8. I've received $28 from them, $49, $2,616, 65 bucks. So yeah, it is very legit. Like, it actually works, and then I send it straight to my bank account. And I don't do the instant transfer because they take like 1% or something. I just do the no fee, and it takes like 3 days. But anyways, guys, that's me cashing out my GetUpside earnings. Yeah, again, use my link and code down below to sign up for GetUpside, and you'll get an additional 15 cents back per gallon when you use my code, on top of the up to 25 cents back per gallon. So if you use my link and code, the first time you fill up, you'll get up to 40 cents off. So you could get like $5 just for using my link and code the first time you fill up gas. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll talk to you all soon. Have a great day, guys. Bye.